And now for the news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will inaugurate 91 FM transmitters of 100 watt tomorrow at 10:30 a.m. via video conferencing. The inauguration will give a further boost to radio connectivity in the country. In Meghalaya, new FM transmitters will be inaugurated at Nongstoin and Williamnagar. FM transmitter community radio station Nongstoin would be operating at 100.1 MHz FM band, while the other one at Williamnagar would be operating at 100.9 MHz FM band. The 100-watt transmitter is expected to be heard in around 400 square kilometer area, delivering a bouquet of various programs of entertainment and education to the listeners in the town and nearby villages. The new transmitter have been installed in 84 districts across 18 states and 2 union territories. A special focus of this expansion has been on enhancing coverage in aspirational districts and in border areas.